Good morning, my beautiful students, and welcome back, girls. Today, inshallah, girls, we will take a new unit, my beautiful students. But first of all, we will say the classroom rules. Rule number 1, follow directions quickly. Rule number 2, raise your hand to speak. Rule number 3, raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. And rule number 4, make smart choices. And 5, keep your dear teacher happy, okay? So, first of all, I will ask you some questions, girls. If I ask you what's the past of speak, spoke, write, wrote, swim, swam, do, did, go, went, break, broke, okay? After that, girls, use some or any. Number 1, there are some books on the shelf. 2, I need some cucumbers. 3, I don't have any pens. 4, I didn't buy any eggs. 5, I went to the mall and bought some clothes. 6, is there any table in the class? 7, I don't have any friends. Okay? Now, my beautiful students, we will take Unit 12, Lesson 1, Better English Now. Past continuous. The past continuous describes actions or event in a time before now and is still going on the present, okay? So, first of all, how to form the past continuous tense? We have was, I, she, he, it. So I was, she was, he was, it was, plus a verb with ing. For example, she was watching TV when her father came. I was playing tennis when my sister broke her glasses. Okay? What about where? They were, we were, you were. Okay? After that, a verb with ing. For example, they were swimming when the telephone rang. Okay? We were writing our homework when my father came. Okay? Then correct the mistakes. Number 1, they was waiting for the bus when the accident happened. They were waiting. Okay, they were instead of saying was. 2, when the fire started, I were watched TV. When the fire started, I was watching TV. Number 3, I were studying English when my father came. I was studying English when my father came. Use was and were. I was playing basketball when my father came. They were sleeping when the telephone rang. She was studying English when the visitors came. He was jumping when his mom called him. Okay? After that, girls, we will start taking the first word in my lesson today. First of all, if I ask you, give me the spelling of some words. So if I ask you, spell the word eat. Spell means what? Spell S-P-E-L-L. 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 This is number 1. Number 2, what do I mean by correctly? Correctly, C-O-R-R-E-C-T-L-Y. Correctly. C-O-R-R-E-C-T-L-Y. After that, girls, I will ask you to write some sentences on the board. Then listen and answer. Listen to me, girls, and try to answer the questions, okay? Number 1, Basil got up at 6 o'clock. So he got up at 6 o'clock in the morning. He went to school at 7 o'clock. So what time did he go to school? He went to school at 7 o'clock. Number 3, what was he doing at 6 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday? He was watching television. He was what? He was watching television. And number 4, what was his mother doing at that time? She was washing the dishes. Okay? Then, girls, which word had the sound you hear at the end of brush? Of course, the word is chance. Are the letters th and teeth one sound or two sounds? Of course, one sound. Which of the following words is spelled incorrectly? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Of course, the word breakfast is spelled incorrectly. Spell it correctly, B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. Okay? This is the end of my lesson today, guys. Goodbye, and thank you for listening and watching.